Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and this month we are on our creative world tour to the Caribbean, where we create some really fun things for your summer vacation. Even if it's a past one or if you go on holiday in your mind, it doesn't matter. In this video we create some palm tree straw toppers you can perfectly use for your next garden party or barbecue. You can even use them to protect your glass and its drink from all the insects flying around. A quick and easy craft you can do with your kids, maybe for their next birthday. We have a great template for you as well as a printable to create these straw toppers easily. So now, without any further ado, before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. So here's what you need. First of all, you need to print out the paper on the one side and the template on the other side. You can find the template and the PDF as well as the instructions in our Sunset Scrapper Club. And we need a hot melt gun, as well as a palette to mix the colors, a skizzer, and a knife, some colors, and straws, of course. We also need a brush and some cotton wool balls as coconuts. So now let's get started. I first grab my paper with the template on the other side and start by cutting out the palm leaves roughly. Once done, I need to get rid of the little edges of the leaves, and for that I use my cutter knife and a cut board just to prevent damage of my table. So make sure you have something under your leaf and then start to cut out these little edges of your leaves. Sure, you can make your life much easier if you use a cutting machine like a Silhouette Cameo or a Cricut, whatever, and it can then just cut it out automatically for you, and you can make as many palm tree straw toppers as you want, but you know, that's fun as well. So make sure you also cut out the middle of your leaf, and then we go. Just a little tip here on the side. If you prefer that, you might want to print the paper on both sides so you don't have a white leaf on the bottom, but it's all green. And now when you're done, use the bone folder and also a ruler and go over the lines so we can curl the whole leaf up a little bit. And for that I also use the bone folder. You see me just folding it in the middle just a little bit, so to make sure it looks much better and more realistic. And then we use the bone folder to curl the whole thing up. So now we grab our straw and put it through the leaves, and make sure you use 2 leaves actually. I know you could use just 1, but it looks much better when you have some more leaves here. And you can even curl them up a little bit more and then make another one on top, and as well as the ending part here. So last but not least, we need to make our little coconuts. So for that I use a paper towel and add my cotton balls here, and then I use acrylic paint and just color them in brown. So just make sure you hold them somehow, and then you just color them, and you need to let them dry a little bit. Acrylic paint dries very quickly, so it's not a big deal, but you know, it needs to dry a few minutes at least. So last but not least, we need to use our hot melt gun and get the coconuts under the palm tree leaves. In best case, you use tweezers, and then you have something to hold your coconut and put your hot melt gun on it, and then you just put it under the leaf, and now you keep going and add more of your coconuts there. Yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, don't forget to check out further tutorials we have just for the Caribbean island, for your summer endeavors and whatever you can think of. So check out the channel for more videos. Yeah, and then I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye!